just spoke to the head of security. And they've got the police on the scene, kaya huwag ka na masyadong mag-worry, ate.
Sino kaya yung nabaril? Baka kailangan niya ako ng pamilya niya ng legal assistance.
Huwag mo na masyadong isipin yun, ate.
Eh, hindi lang kasi mawala sa isip ko eh. Gustong-gusto kong tumulong kanina, pero natulala ako, wala akong nagawa.
Eh, hindi naman tayo sure na walang kasalanan yung nabaril eh. Eh, baka naman masamang tao siya. Kaya huwag ka na mag-guilty na hindi natin siya natulungan. Alam ko na we are lawyers and we are committed in helping other people, but we cannot risk our lives.
Eh, hindi ko nga maintindihan kung bakit ako kinakabahan ng ganito eh.
Lilit!
Eh, para kasi narinig ko yung boses ni Mang Kanor na tinawag niya ako kanina.
Sigurado ka bang si Mang Kanor yun?
Hindi. Pero parang may tumawag talaga sa akin eh.
Naiisip mo lang siguro na kung bakit wala si Mang Kanor sa despedida niya, no?
Talaga bang nag-text siya sa'yo?
Yes, ate. He told me na nasa probinsya siya. Eh, baka busy lang siya sa pagpe-prepare papuntang States. So, let it go for now, okay? Meron pa tayong celebration na dapat i-enjoy. Tagal naman na naman. Tawagan ko kaya.
Sunugin nyo, ilibing nyo, do whatever you want with Kanor's body, just get it done.
Maliwanag po, boss.
At please lang ha, pagkatapos nito, lumayo muna kayo. At wag na wag nyo nga hayaan na madama yung pangalan ko dito. Because I have a reputation to protect, you understand me? Kapag nadama yung pangalan ko dito, sisiguraduhin kong magkakaroon kayo ng lugar dyan sa libingan ni Kanor mismo.
Eh, boss, kulang pa yung binayad sa amin ni Ma'am Patricia eh.
Galing nga. Palpak na nga kayo, magpapadagdag pa kayo. Si Patricia magbabayad sa inyo. Basta siguraduhin yung linisin nyo yung kalat nyo dyan. Hey, Hera babe. How are you?
Hello, babe. Nasaan ka na? Nandito na kami sa restaurant.
I'm on my way. Yeah, na-traffic lang ako, babe. But I'll be there before they serve dessert, okay? I'll see you.
Nasaan na kaya si Renan? He told me that he'd be here by now.
Baka naman malapit na.
You know how Renan gets with his clients. Always busy saving the world one case at a time.
I'm really sorry for the delay. I got caught up with some important matters.
Sit here.
Attorney Lilette?
Actually, babe, isa-serve pa lang naman yung food. Do you want anything? I can order for you.
Ooh. I want to celebrate tonight. Like a victory feast. After all, it's not every day you end a case with such finality.
Finality? What kind of victory, Attorney Alon, na gugustuhin mong mag-celebrate?
Well, you know, attorney, a little legal finesse here and there. Making the world a safer place, one criminal at a time.
Just make sure that that finesse doesn't involve anyone getting too comfortable with their final exit. Wala naman sigurong nasaktan o namatay.
Come on, attorney, you know me. I'm all about due process and justice. Trust me, no one is leaving this world without a fair trial or at least a farewell dinner.
Okay guys, let's not get carried away, ha? May celebration pa tayong i-enjoy. Restroom na, okay? Halika.
Ooh, excuse me, I've gotta take this. Patricia,
You spoke na with Paco? Nakatakas daw si Kanor? Mabuti na lang. He got caught and then eliminated. Bago pa man siya makausap ni Lele.
oh great. Seems like the Genius Brigade over there is really messing things up. Can't even handle a simple task. You know, Patricia, honestly, it's like watching toddlers with scissors over there. Papalpak ng mga tao.
What's this sa akin mo raw pinapasingil, yung additional charges? And ano tong upscale restaurant?
Patricia, can we please not do this now?
Renan, kailangan natin magkita ngayon din.
Look, right now I'm with Erin Lillet and I'm pretending like everything's going just fine kahit nalulunod na ako sa mga nangyayari. Okay? So can we talk about your bill tomorrow or some other time, please? I'll text you the details. Sheesh.
Parang kamukha ng panyo ni Mang Kanor. Sa kanya kaya talaga yan? Kay Mang Kanor kaya to?